Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Recently, I released a video showing you how to get approved for $50,000 in business funding with a brand new LLC with no proof of income. But there was one catch. Every single card on that list did require a personal guarantee. A lot of you ask for alternative options, cards that don't actually pull your personal credit. So in this video, I'm going to give you exactly what you asked for. It's going to be 5 true EIN only business credit cards that require no personal guarantee. And a majority of the cards on this list we have never discussed on this channel before. We're talking about full separation between you and your business, and I'll also give exact requirements to qualify. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. First, we have the Ramp Business Card. This is a no PG charge card that has no interest rates and no annual fees either. Ramp's entire focus is helping your company save time and spend smarter. What really makes Ramp stand out is its automation features. Ramp connects directly with your accounting software, automatically syncing your transactions and categorizes every expense in real time. Ramp also just launched AI agents, which is supposed to be the first step towards self-driving finance, and I'm excited to try it out myself. But Ramp isn't just about making your books cleaner, it also helps you make more money. Every purchase earns you cash back. That's real savings on everything from software to travel to everyday business expenses. So whether you're scaling your operations or handling daily spending, Ramp helps you get more out of every dollar. And here's the best part. The approval process is fast and very simple. Ramp looks at your business's actual performance, your revenue, cash flow, and financial strength. Based on that, they assigned a spending limit that can grow well into the 6-figure range or even higher. One of the smartest ways to establish business credit is with a business card that reports to the major business bureaus, and that's exactly what Ramp offers. They report your on-time payments to bureaus such as Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Dun & Bradstreet, helping you establish positive credit history for your business. There's a link down in the description below so you can apply for the Ramp card today. I highly recommend that you check them out. Next, we have the FinFair Business Charge Card. This card is issued by Cross River Bank and runs on the MasterCard network. It's a charge card designed to help small businesses manage expenses while keeping control of their cash flow. There's no personal credit check, there's no annual fee, and approval is entirely based on your business revenue. But heads up, the cashback only works inside of MasterCard's Easy Savings program, so it's not universal. They also removed their auto pay feature recently, so if you don't want late fees, stay on top of your payments manually. You're looking at 1.5% back on eligible purchases, with extras like 4% back on 20,000 restaurants, discounts on tools like QuickBooks and Adobe, and up to 7% off prepaid stage through Booking.com. Now here's what you need to qualify. You must be a US-based LLC, corporation, or partnership. Sole proprietors will not qualify. FinFair will look at your business revenue, your business bank account, and your overall financial health, but there's no exact minimum as far as your revenue goes. Coming in at number 3 is the Mercury IO Business Credit Card, and this is a no PG card that is exclusively available to Mercury business banking customers. This card will deliver an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase, no complicated point system, just straightforward cash rewards automatically deposited into your account. There's no annual fee, no interest, no foreign transaction fee, and it also comes with exclusive discounts on tools like AWS and Microsoft. And yes, like the Ramp card, it does report to Dun & Bradstreet and Equifax Business, which means it's actually helping you build that business credit profile. To qualify, again, you must be a US-based LLC, corporation, or partnership. Mercury does not check your personal credit. Everything is solely based on your business finances. However, you must hold a Mercury account and maintain a minimum average cash balance, typically around $15,000 in your account, though limits can fluctuate based on deposits and withdrawals. Since Mercury doesn't pull your personal credit score when issuing IO, the approval is based on your account health rather than your personal credit history. At number 4, we've got the Flex Visa Infinite Business Credit Card, the premium offering from FlexBase, also known simply as Flex, built into your business banking platform. This card launched on July 28, 2025, so it's only days old, and this is the first US fintech product to offer a Visa Infinite Business Card tailored for small to mid-sized businesses. As a Visa Infinite card, it unlocks high-end benefits, think global airport lounge access via Priority Pass, luxury hotel perks, 24/7 concierge services, trip delay and lost luggage reimbursement, auto rental insurance, and exclusive dining and event access with Visa. To qualify, you need to be a Flex customer in good standing. Flex will evaluate your business financial profile, like your cash flow, your revenue, and transaction history, to extend a tailored credit line and offer a net 60 payment term across purchases. There's no hard pull on your personal credit, and eligibility depends on the Flex account performance and repayment. Behind the scenes, this card is issued by Lead Bank under license with Visa USA as part of Flex's full stack finance platform. It deeply integrates with AI-powered expense tools, team-wide card controls, and AP automation. Keep in mind that Flex charges a 1% bill payment fee regardless of the payment method. And if you use a credit card for bill payment, an additional 2.5% card processing fee will apply. However, if you're looking for a business card that combines travel perks, broad purchase protection, flexible payment options, and deep automation, all without relying on personal credit, then the Flex Visa Infinite Business Card is an option for you. Number 5 in our lineup is the Parker Commercial Credit MasterCard, and this card is issued by Patriot Bank under license from MasterCard, and banking services are provided via Piermont Bank. Parker's FinTech card is explicitly built for fast-growing e-commerce companies. It offers flexible rolling repayment terms of 30, 45, 60, and even 90 days on each purchase, rather than a single monthly due date. That means no interest if you stick to your terms, and credit limits that are typically 10 to 20 times higher than traditional business cards. You can scale alongside the performance of your business. Underwriting is based on your real-time business signals like sales data from Shopify or Amazon, cash flow, and inventory trends, not on your personal credit. That enables dynamic limits, often improving as your company grows. To qualify, your business generally needs to be US incorporated, profitable, and have done at least $1 million in annual revenue, plus maintain a $10,000 minimum cash balance in your business account. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If your goal is to truly build business credit that stands on its own and separate from your personal credit profile, then these 5 EIN only, no personal guarantee cards are the perfect place to begin. They let your business finally speak for itself. But keep in mind, when you're not putting your name on the line, your approval will depend entirely on your business cash flow, your revenue, and your financial health. So be strategic. Choose the card that fits your needs. I highly recommend the Ramp Business Card. I have seen some really good approvals with this one. So again, the link will be in the description. And for our 4 newcomers, definitely check those out and let me know your experience. If you found value in this video, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below and let me know which card you were most excited about. And if you want more EIN only no PG cards, let me know in the comments as well. I'd be more than happy to add some new cards to this list. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day.